Loveabilities. Today I have a very special try on haul from Princess Polly. This is not sponsored. I did purchase everything myself, so you guys are gonna get the honest and real reviews and feedback on each item that I purchased. So I am going to TwitchCon in October and I needed some outfits, so hopefully if these work. I have not tried any of these dresses on yet. These are gonna be my first impression, first reaction, and I hope some of these work because I need some outfits. I'll link everything down below so you guys can shop the look if you would like. I wish I had a coupon code for you guys, but I'm not sponsored. This is just gonna be a raw, real try on haul. So, and also just to give you guys some measurement comparisons, because I know sometimes with online shopping, it's really confusing because all of their sizing charts are so different. You're like, wait, I think I'm a small, I think I'm a medium, and then it's like 2, 4, 6, 8. Who do we appreciate? What the fuck is going on? So I ordered every dress today in a size 4 to give you guys some measurements. I'm around 5'4", 5'5", and I'm like 115 pounds. So to give you guys some proportions. I also got some jewelry pieces. So this is the first necklace that I got. I'm wearing it right now. It's all one necklace. It's a gold little chain and some pearls. I also got this necklace. It's all one as well, and then it's layered, so it has some heart details, a butterfly, and a lock at the end. I'll try this necklace on for you guys so you can see like how it lays and stuff. So I feel like if I had a different top on, if I had something where it had like a V neckline, it would be more flattering with not what I'm wearing right now. I do like Princess Polly jewelry, but since I've worked in jewelry before, I know with like fashion jewelry and stuff, I have a necklace similar to this and it is like tarnishing. It's like not as gold and it's not as opaque as it was when I first got it. I probably had it about like a year or so. So it is fashion jewelry. It's not like, I would not recommend showering in this. Definitely not to the pool, definitely not stuff like that, but it is just really cute to throw on sometimes. So again, I'll link both of these necklaces in the comments below, but this is the pearl one. This one is more of like a choker, and like this one's more like layered, cute, dress up, dress down. All right, so I have 4 dresses here. Okay, so this first red one, this one is called Selena mini dress in red. So this is the dress, this is the back, and this is a size, this is a US size 4. Okay, so this is the dress, back of the dress. It's very cute. It was a little hard to get into at first. I got a little frustrated, I'm not gonna lie. But it has a little side zipper right here that helps. I probably would have to retie it in the back, have it sit where I would like. But so the second one I'm gonna try on for you guys is this beautiful baby blue dress. It reminds me of like Cinderella and I'm obsessed. When I saw this, I just had to have it. This is the Bloom mini dress in baby blue. This is a size 4 and I think I'm already gonna love it. So, all right, you guys, here's the next one. I love this. I think it's gorgeous. I think I'm definitely taking this one to TwitchCon. It's comfy and it snatches you and I love it. Oh yeah, oh yeah. You're coming to TwitchCon with me. Yes, yes. All right, so for the next one, this one's a little spicy. This is the Lesty dress, black lace. I think this would be really cute for like a layering, lots of jewelry, layering look. It's very silky. Obviously, I'm gonna have to, with this one and the red one, I'm gonna have to like get these wrinkles out of it if I bring it with me, but let's go try her on. I don't know how this one's gonna look. All right, so I love this. However, I had to take my hair down to get this over my head. Now, I will say I love mini dresses, but sometimes I'm afraid to wear them out and about because like one wrong move and I don't want everyone to see everything. But oh my God, you guys, I didn't know how this one was gonna like fit and feel and look. I actually really love it. This is definitely coming to TwitchCon with me, like absolutely. I'm probably gonna go take Instagram pictures in this right now. I will say it has no zipper, it has no nothing to help you put it on, so it's really like a pull up or go over. I went over my head with it. I like it a lot. So the last one I'm gonna try on for you guys, this is kind of like a more sportier look. This is the Arabellae, something mini dress. The problem that I love this one in person. I think it's really freaking cute. The only problem I have with this one is for the price that I got it for, again, like this is a size 4, whatever. The price that I got this for, like it wasn't super expensive, but it also was not cheap. And the way that the black is like somewhat see-through, you can see my pink light. Look at that. You can see my pink light through this dress right now. So I'm not too thrilled about that. Like this material is more like stretchy, sporty, but I'm gonna go try it on. All right, you guys, the final one. I like this. It was a lot easier to get on than the last black one. However, like the see-through thing kind of bothers me. I don't know. I feel like this one might be my least favorite out of them all. It's still cute, but it's just not my favorite. This one was a lot easier to get on and it's really comfy, but I don't think this one is my favorite, but I'm not mad at it. All right, you guys, that wraps up my Princess Polly try on haul. Let me know which one was your favorite out of the 4. I would love to know. I think my favorite was the black one. I think I'm definitely gonna bring the black and the blue to TwitchCon with me. I liked the red one, however, the neckline made me nervous just because with the open back, you kind of have to like be kind of creative in the front, and then also I just don't want anything to get, you know, too out of line, of course. I like this one as well. I just don't think it flatters me as well as the other ones do. So this one's probably my least favorite. I'm gonna keep it though because whenever I online shop, I never really return stuff. But Princess Polly, if any one of y'all are watching this and y'all want to sponsor me, let me know. But yeah, if you guys like this kind of video on my channel, let me know in the comments and give the video a thumbs up. That helps me a ton. And if you guys are new here, make sure you guys subscribe. And if you guys want me to do any more try on hauls from different brands or different stores or anything like that, let me know in the comments as well of what you would like to see. And I have a lot of clothes, so I can go through a lot of fits and a lot of stuff. So let me know, and thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.